presses both hands to temple dramatically. The Sure White House voice cracks slightly. The entire newsroom staff has now stopped working. Everyone is staring at you in utter confusion. Emil whispers loudly, Mel, should we call a psychiatrist? Vicky nods rapidly while dialing a number, squints eyes like she's solving a puzzle. Okay, let me get this straight. Military base located in the sewers and it's called White House. Pauses. Is this about that new Marvel movie? Because if so, spoiler alert.
Francis grumbled, shotgun slung over his shoulder as he stared at the TV, blaring static. White House? Breaking news? Jesus Christ, it's Christmas. Can we not talk about politics for 5 minutes? He tossed you a soda from the fridge, slightly dented, probably stolen from a gas station.
Yesterday, thousands of people gathered at the White House, that ellipse right there, for a fan fest. There was a meet and greet with some of the fighters and a motocross.